Ancient beginnings, the first weeks.
The idea of dividing time into weeks dates back thousands of years. Early civilizations like the Babylonians played a key role, adopting a 7-day cycle to correspond with the visible celestial bodies, the sun, moon, and 5 planets. This structure spread across cultures, laying the groundwork for the 7-day schedule that would shape modern life.
Religious influences on timekeeping.
Major world religions reinforced the 7-day week. In Judaism, the Sabbath marked every 7th day as a day of rest, a custom adopted by Christianity. Islam, too, recognizes Friday as a special day for prayer. These religious practices helped make the 7-day week central to societies across continents.
From farms to factories, Workweek evolution.
For much of history, work patterns were based on seasons and agriculture. With the Industrial Revolution, fixed schedules became important in factories. Gradually, the concept of a regular work week emerged, often centered around religious rest days, which further cemented the 7-day rhythm in daily life.
Standardizing the modern workweek.
In the 19th and 20th centuries, labor movements fought for predictable hours and rest periods. The introduction of laws and regulations led to the widespread adoption of the 5-day workweek, with Saturdays and Sundays as days off for many. However, the 7-day cycle continues to define global schedules.
A lasting legacy in modern society.
Today, the 7-day workweek is a nearly universal standard. Its origins are deeply rooted in ancient astronomy, religious customs, and industrial progress. Our current schedules reflect this legacy, showing how traditions established long ago still influence the rhythm of modern life.